Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss of class 10th state syllabus chapter quadratic equation 1 mark questions continuation. So sixth one, the quadratic equation whose roots are -3, -4 are options are 7x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0, x square plus 7x plus 12 equal to 0, x square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0, and D option is none. So first write on the given quadratic equation, the roots -3, -4 that can be denoted as alpha, beta. So what is the quadratic equation in terms of alpha and beta? So x square minus x into alpha plus alpha into beta, sum of the roots plus product of the roots. So x square minus x into, so minus 3 into minus 3 minus 4 plus minus 3 into -4. So simplify and we get x square plus 7x plus 12 equals 0.